Oh yeah, stream has started, or will start in a few minutes. I just have to make sure that I won't hear myself while, yeah, kind of keeping track of the chat, uh, of the stream, not of the chat. Yeah, I also keep track of the chat, but I was referring to the stream as well. Yeah. And yeah, by doing that, yes, while doing that. So, yeah, welcome to another stream. Yesterday it was yesterday, we managed to implement chapel and learned a new word which is called chapel. Yeah, it's a kind of church, a small church. It is called a chapel, and yeah, it is used for my graveyard zone because I will make in the biome of the grasslands in my game. We'll make a short showcase of my game. No, not this one. I will make a showcase immediately. Yeah, and the chapel, or the chapel, will be a tile or a sprite of the coming graveyard sub-biome. Now we are entering the biome of the grasslands, you can see here, and yeah, this will be part of the graveyard biome. Here we got a village. Yeah, now the village generation works much better. We fixed that yesterday. And yes. Okay, so that's basically the game. We can also works now is the switch system. Now we have another biome, which is also a grassland biome, but it's colored differently. Here again is a church. And again to the signpost. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's how it works. One more biome, but we already know the biome generation, which is kind of cool, not great, but works for me. So yeah, what we now want to engage is we want to add new fences and new fences. I'm stupid. New fences and new two. No, new fences and new gravestones. Yeah, graveyard has gravestones. Yeah, I'm sounding like an old man sometimes, but that's just because I need to get into streaming again. Yeah, I streamed 1 year ago. I streamed usually, but yeah, kind of got out of shape, skipped a lot of streams, but now I wanna, yeah, keep up the pace and get back into streaming. So yeah, okay. So enough of the game, and let's engage the stream. Let's see if I'm loud enough. Yeah, should be loud enough. Oh, but now I can hear myself. And where can I hear myself? There's the source of evil, the root. Okay. So shall I switch to, I'm thinking about switching to art stream, because now theme of the stream is more art, so yeah. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Yeah. Okay, I don't find the category anymore. Ah, there we go. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now, yeah. Let me show you GIMP. Where is GIMP? Where is GIMP? GIMP, where are you? GIMP, show yourself. GIMP, there's GIMP. Yeah, this is, by the way, a daddy long leg I drew before. Got inspiration by a picture, which is on the top left, but now I want to draw a fence. So a fence, let's say, yeah, width is 80, height is only 20. Now what is more important is what kind of colors do we use. What does a graveyard contain? How do the fences of a graveyard look like? I guess they are black. Yeah, let's say black to blue. Some blue in it. So yeah, let's start with an easy sketch. I will get into more detail. What is important is that the fences connect. So we have first pixel. Let's do it higher because we have much more space. So let's do it higher. And yeah, we have, you can see everything. A lot of pixels to fill. So we are choosing, I guess, 4 from the top. 1, 2, yeah, let's choose 16 and 7. And here again, 16 and 7 here. Here we go. Yeah, and now it doesn't have to be symmetrical. but at least to some degrees it should be. So from 0 we have 3 to 4, yeah, and the 79, which is important because we are, yeah, it's like the computer science, how a computer scientist thinks, starting with 0 and yeah, heading to, heading to the top. So yeah, let's start with 0. And how can we do it? We would do a sketch, and we have to fulfill 80 pixels each. But we don't have to be that exact. Yeah, let's have a smaller one. No. Let's first draw one in the kind of in the middle. Can already be destroyed. Doesn't have to look good anymore. Yeah, let's do another one here. And another one here. Yeah, we will add some more colors in the future, so don't worry. There will be much more colors. Now we just work with black or well, really dark blue. Yeah, kind of have a little source where I, yeah. Oh no, this one has to be symmetrical to some degrees. Now it can have here, it can be broken here. But this one should be healthy. And now let's make one that is not broken at all. I'm saying not broken at all. Perfect. Now yeah, this one is not necessary, but looks decent in my opinion. Decent not, but looks okay. It's a broken fence. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Hope you can understand me. Yeah, nothing is muted. Perfect. Could add some music. Oh, I can't make polls anymore. Otherwise, I would ask if you wanna do some music. But one other thing what I forgot to add was our goal. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, I set up a new goal, so set up goal alerts. Perfect. And hello to everyone, by the way, who joined recently. Yes, I'm trying to draw a fence I will add in my RPG I'm coding. So if you want any music, if you want any background music, write it down in the chat. I have some, I have something prepared if you want to have some music. Otherwise, I will just keep the stream silence. Yeah, sorry for my cringe pronunciation. kind of. Okay, so now back to the drawing. This one will be darker. Now I will add some spikes. Oh, not here. Add one here. The good thing is I don't have to make them no, this is too. Some spikes. Yeah, because the assets are much smaller in the not end game, but if you're finished, the assets look much smaller. So yeah. And yeah. By the way, I will write and make a little post that stream has started. I'm sorry, you will have me back in a few seconds. Back to the stream. Sorry for my absent. And yeah, so what should the font look like? This problem is I don't have that much space, so the font doesn't. Yeah, let me see if I go with this structure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. One, two, three. Kind of like this. Yes, you have to add some inconvenience that it looks more realistic. So that's why I use the 3 gaps. Here we go again with 3 gaps. 3 gaps. There we go. This one will be healthy. With the 3. Here the bottom is missing. And here we have one that is complete. 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the ground structure is finished. Now let's see what we can add. Some roast, some metal pieces, spikes, whatever. There can be many things that we can add to the asset. So let's see. First of all, let's see with the colors. I would say these can be completely black, so if they are destroyed. Yeah, the top of the destroyed ones are completely in black. And as more as we move to the bottom, as lighter it gets. Oh, that was not my... Ah, okay, the threshold was set too low. So yeah. Again. That I'm really bad at drawing because I have those shaky hands. But the main benefit of pixel art is you can make up for this by just being exact with your calculations, and then at least small artworks can look at least decent. That's why we have kind of decent looking. Yeah. You know what I mean, hopefully. Okay, now what we also have to do is let me think. Yeah, now we have the side brick. This will be the side one, the side fence. What we also want to add is a top fence and different kind of fences. So yeah, to accomplish that, we need sorry, I need to think. I still have some coffee left. Okay, I got an idea. Only 10 width, 80 height. First of all, we would save this one before I screw up. Pictures. horizontal. Okay, now we make a new one, which is, let's say 5 times 80. Add alpha channel. Yeah, kind of like that. Hello, hello. Hello, Isabel. Yes, it's great. It's great. I have some issues to track the chat. Hi, by the way. Yeah, I have some issues tracking the chat, but apart from that, it's getting great. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm kind of the stream is kind of a mix of a coding and a pixel art stream. At the moment, even 50-50, but at the moment, yeah, now I'm drawing fences for an RPG where I make all the assets, which is, yeah, if you look at this one second, I have to move things aside. I do everything by myself. I'm not a good artist. It's more like I got into it by coding and now I'm simply drawing. The trees are procedural generated, but also the structure was drawn by me and the colors are changed by an algorithm. Like the background is also procedural generated. The sign here is drawn and the houses and all the people living there are also drawn. 4 days, 5 days. This is the 5th stream. Something like this. I streamed before on YouTube, but kind of I tried out Twitch, and even if the viewers are not as high as on YouTube, the system by itself is more fun. You have this achievement system, and yeah, it's... thank you for the follow. Thank you very much. Thank you. And by the way, if I turn this on, yeah, I can hear myself, so I can't turn this on. Perfect. Thank you very much for the follow. Yeah. Thank you. My favorite game. Oh, hard to tell you. At the moment I don't have much time for gaming, but when I do, I played Dead Island 2, but it's not my favorite game. Oh, I sound like a politician kind of evades the question. No, my favorite games are, it's hard to tell. I like the Mount and Blade games, even if they are really time consuming, but I love them. Also Path of Exile and Diablo, games like that. And yeah, most of all, Path of Exile. And yeah. Are you playing games or are you drawing? Yes, it's cool. It's cool. I got it because I got it on the Game Pass, so I tried it out and it makes fun. But at the moment I'm really busy with stuff, full-time job and everything. So it's hard to get back into gaming. But when I got the time, it's a fun one. Like I try now. At the moment I have the time. still feeling sick, but kind of in the stream I forget that. No, but what I wanted to say is next week it will be harder to stream every day, but in the evening. But yeah, on weekends I wanna stream regularly. Saturdays I will stream the whole. Yeah, my plan is to stream each Saturday. I'm from Germany. Where are you from? Ah, cool. Australia. Yeah, that's Australia. I guess it's. Yeah, suggest anything. Anything is welcome. Twitter. 1 second. Yeah, you could message me there. Second. Turn to stream soon. 1 second. Mhm. I need 1, 2, 3 seconds. to something. 1 second. Okay, so back to the drawing, and could we solve this? Like this. And one last time. And yeah, sorry for the long pause in talking. I was kind of thinking, but yeah, now we are deleting these. I mean, first I have to fuse this and this, so now I can get the eraser. Okay, yeah. Now I have to move this one more in the middle. Again, fuse them. fuse them. And okay, sorry, this was private stuff. I shouldn't do that while streaming. I'm sorry. Okay, back to... Okay, this is the side one. Next, export that. It's fair. Because we need to export it, we can do fans site. Oh. Export fans vertical. Perfect. Now let's include them in the game, and then for that we can switch back to, also switch to some music. This is better. I will use this one. Yeah, new category is development. Perfect. Yeah, now we are switching back to the coding aspect because, yeah, kind of got the pictures. And yeah, so let's get back to coding. And for that, let's see, we need new obstacles. Graveyard. So where are the grassland sprites? We need new obstacle class. Graveyard fence vertical. Obstacle is the main class, subclass of obstacle, and of course horizontal. Sorry, hard to pronounce that. Okay, so we need the main class and the superclass, or the main class and the, you know what I'm referring to, I hope. Okay, so graveyard fence, horizontal. Now let's add the images. Now we added a fence. Next thing is, oh, did I? Oh, this is too loud, sorry. Or at least too loud for me. Yeah, I should post the music, by the way. The link of the music is in the chat. Now back to the coding. Dev init self group. Okay, now, no. Okay, sorry for the waiting. Graveyard. So we have a new asset, a new sprite called graveyard. Called graveyard fans. And yeah, group at it doesn't have any groups now, but obstacles. So x equals x. X, Y, width and height are our basic ones. But we will alter get rectangle. What does he? Where's the issue? Ah yeah, no. Not like this. Now, next step is okay, let's first define some default parameters. I like this is, I have to say, this is best music. This really fits into coding. Kind of, yeah, not makes me, you know, if you're, yeah, I don't want to call it spacey, because if something is spacey, I have, yeah, it has something to do with drugs in my opinion. Spacey would be the wrong term. Mm-hmm. Okay, now how can we go on? Sorry, I'm just got into some mind stuff. So self rectangle. We have to override this because while x and y is the same, or y is not the same, y is plus 15, and so width is width, but width is width, but the height is now only 5. So we can, because we go 15 upstairs, so yeah. And the same goes for get rectangle. Sometimes I use get rectangle. And there we return pygame point rectangle, and in brackets this one. of course, south point, point y, south point. Okay. Now, what comes next is, now let's see, we have the obstacle, graveyard fence. Yeah, of course, south point image. Image equals, and now we have to import these dudes. It's pretty easy because fence H for horizontal, and the same goes for fence vertically. Here we go. Yeah, I got it right. So now let's have image fence H. Yeah, important, we can't have to get up because, yeah, because of the length and the, hey, we shouldn't mix that. Okay. So yeah, by the way, it should be, let's see, 80 to 20, so let's say 80, 20. Yeah, this makes sense. sorry for the break, or for the width in this case equals 5 and height equals 80 was it, I guess. Yeah, 80. And rectangle. And this one doesn't have to be overwritten as all. Now let's try it out. Where's the graveyard? I already made the white loops. Now I have to put it in the loops. And for that, I need to switch on my brain. And yeah, so we have one loop. This was for the palace set. I got villages with palace set, and now I want to do fences. So let's see. X minus 40. Let's try that one out. But with 80, because they have 80. So let's do minus 80 and plus 80. Again, minus 80, plus 80, and steps are also 80. Now self point obstacles. Okay. Self point obstacles point at. We have our GSP for grassland sprites. This should be horizontal. And we add x equals e. And y equals x equals e, y equals self point y minus 80. And this should be the last one here. Y equals, oh no, here. Here we get one with, yeah. And now the second one. Second Wohner from Ivona. Yeah, of course, now y is e in both cases, but begins with self point x minus 40 and ends with self point x plus self point y plus 80 without an e. And now let's say self point generate fence. Now I wonder what will happen. Nothing, because something went totally wrong. Ah, okay, because I accidentally how it's into a graveyard. Oh, now I messed up. Graveyard fans horizontal. This one also here. Chat is empty. Twitch is empty. And again. Now let's see. Okay, there's a okay. Then probably grassland spots. Ah yeah, pygame point rectangle. There we go. Oh, perfect. Now I accidentally self-blocked. Yeah. Created a fence. Cool. Cool. Okay. Start again. Yeah, the fence is not procedural. It always looks the same. Okay, so what do we have to do? Set it a little bit lower, I guess. Shouldn't be that hard. So gonna generate fences. Second one. Why? Plus 80. So how do we get plus 80? Seems right for me. Ah, okay, because the width and the height is not dividable by. So let's set it by default to 240. Ah, no. Didn't change at all because I guess Randomized levels. Graveyard. 240. Okay. That stuff that is beyond my imagination. Stuff that is beyond my mind, my imagination, whatever. Okay. I get it. This was the wrong one. 240 and 240. Now let's do it again. Here we go. Party as a chapel. Grassland sprites, graveyard. Let's say self point X, and self point Y. Better. Move it a little bit up and a little bit down. Oh no, I won't. Oh, it will be. It will be. Yeah, it has only get rectangles, so graveyard zone will get -80, +80, let's say -80, -80, +160, 60, and I can, the chapel can be -80 and -80. Let's see how it looks now. Okay, that was too much. Let's say 40, 40. Better. Sometimes if not random point, if random point went in 0 to 20. Again and again. And to the horizontal on the left is this one, and not e equals starting from self point y plus 80. What is this too? Let's see. Okay, yeah, this one is now. Let's try it again. Yeah, look at this. Turns exactly how I intended it to be. Okay, because of this. Ah, okay, it is accessible. Yeah, the algorithm behind the tree is not that bad. Could also update this on the fence, so the fence is okay, yeah. I know that the game works, kind of. Okay, now I would say let's make a little break. Okay, yeah. Because we accomplished something, I could say we do a little break. Let's say until let's say 2 and 10. it's time to... Oh, this was a glass. Yeah, I wanted to say it's time to move back. There we go. One second. I'm eating, by the way. But this shall not be today's topic. Today's topic should be adding gravestones. Okay, so we switch back to an art channel. And now we're trying to add some gravestones. Never drew a gravestone before, so let's try it out. It looks bad. By the way, can you see GIMP? Can't see that. Oh, wrong one. Where is GIMP? GIMP, hello GIMP, where are you? Gimpy. GIMP. Is this GIMP? This is GIMP. GIMP, hello GIMP. Hello GIMP, how are you doing GIMP? Gimpy. What's the matter Gimpy? Don't be so gimpy. GIMP. GIMP. Okay, so what is up with GIMP? First, let me see, how does a gravestone look? Thing is, we can't really use flowers or anything like this because yeah, while the map is being procedural generated, doesn't make any sense, but yeah, I need kind of a blueprint, searching for a blueprint. A blueprint. A blueprint. Means we are printing in blue. Not a blueprint, but a blueprint. Sorry. Three, 4. One, two, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Yeah, I'm just singing with the beat. because my mind needs some, yeah, not punishment, that's the wrong word. My mind needs something, otherwise I will go crazy. And not the idea to go crazy. So I have to uncrazy myself. Is this the right word, uncrazy? I guess not at all, but I couldn't care less. One, two, three, four. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, let's make him darker just for so that we know what to add. More. Okay, this looks like a gravestone. Now, okay, this wasn't a bad idea, I guess. Yeah, so it has one step more, one step darker. Or this could be one step lighter. So once is a little bit lighter. One small step. Here we go. Does look decent. Decent. Okay, more cheese curd. Is what I'm eating all the time. Doesn't taste good, but has a lot of protein. Because I'm feeling sick, I can't do sport, so. Okay, do I have find a step? Yeah, perfect. Looks decent. Yeah, you have to take in mind that okay. Let me track the chat. Nothing new in the chat. Something for test issues. Okay. Now. This one, the next one, just be a small variation of the first one, be slightly more thinner. Yeah, more like this. And let's also do a third one. Yeah, to be honest, I'm quite off against Christian symbolism. Yeah, because something has to be something with my beliefs, so to avoid it, even if I make a game about demons, but still there's a threshold or the gap. Hello, hello DJ Jonas, how are you doing? And thanks for the follow. I hope you're doing fine. Alex, maybe from YouTube. From YouTube, I remember, yes. Yes. How are you doing? Kind of remember, yes. From my old YouTube streams. Oh, thank you for telling me. Okay, it's better now? Or if I make the sound a little bit, the background music a little bit quieter? Oh, perfect. Yeah, hope you're doing well. But I remember you. Was if I switch it to my old. Yeah, I remember you were also in the Discord channel. Yeah, you told me you miss me, yes. Way better now, that's great. That's great. Yeah, I didn't, nothing has changed for me, but yeah, I kind of remember you at, so it's great to hear that. Yeah, not much changed for me in the time. I kind of, got really busy with studying, so I couldn't afford to do that much streaming anymore. And yeah, now I tried Twitch. It's kind of the same. It's fun. One issue is that you don't get that much viewers, but on the other hand, you get way earlier into partnership and ad revenue than, for example, in YouTube, where you have to do you need immense numbers of followers. And here everything is a little bit quicker. And at the moment I'm working on a new game. If you wanna see. This one where you play a demon raiding human villages. Like the opposite theme where you are a human defending human villages. Now you are the demon raiding them. But you're also like a usual RPG. You can also raid dungeons and all sorts of this, but you're not the good guy. And yeah, they are shooting arrows at you. You have a skill system. Here's a skill system where you can invest in damage and hit points. There will be more skills available soon. But now, after I marked some skill points, and now you see the souls, you're gaining the souls of them, of your enemies, which means new skill points. And the inventory system is not fully implemented yet, but apart from that, it's something, I guess it's something new in regards of the skill system. or not in the skill system in regards of the goal, which is, yeah, I kind of thought of Dungeon Keeper. I didn't want to do the exact same than Dungeon Keeper, and I thought, yeah, now I could do something, because now I wanted to get into kind of competitive territory, that I will be able to release a demo and an early access on Steam. And yeah, that's how I dived into this. What are you doing at the moment? I kind of remember you worked as a programmer, or... Oh no, you learned. It's kind of long ago. If I remember correctly. By the way, so yeah, so it's still visible. Yeah, now I'm, by the way, why are there gravestones? Now I'm designing a graveyard as a new sub-biome, because the biome has different sub-biomes. The maps are much larger than before. So... Oh, no. Yeah, sorry, I need a new mic. It's fine, I really need a new mic. Or a mic that is able to record my voice better. Now it should be better. Yeah, I designed a game. I hope you didn't miss too much. What I'm saying was, I designed a game like this, where you raid these human villages, skill system and sorts of this, but you also have your own. Yeah, this is like your own personal mansion, where you kind of, yeah, do your stuff, evolve, anything like this. And here in some places have a lightning system. Here you can see darkness system. I can't do that everywhere, because the frame rate will drop significantly. So yeah, like this. Oh yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah, I have to get back into streaming, that's why I'm... But thank you for telling me. Yeah, I have to get back into not screaming, streaming. Yeah. And yeah, but for example, I implemented things like cutscenes. If you click here on E. Huh? Okay, this was not as planned, but yeah, I made a small mistake, because there are obstacles. Now what was it? Interactable, yeah. Now it should work. Yeah, if you now look at the if you now look at the game, I was away from the mic. If you now look into the game, press E. Why is there not? Okay, I guess I... Yeah, kind of that. You have, if the player goes into the dark area, he kind of, there's a self-lightning around the area, so you can, so you have something like a regular light, so it doesn't turn completely dark. So I've given given the player a kind of lightning source that you have, that you don't have to be covered entirely into the dark. But I can turn it off anytime I want. And here, I don't get now, usually a cutscene should play, but this one, Blit Floors. Maybe act rectangle. Point equals. Now it should work. Okay, never mind. Lit floor, screen camera. Something important is missing, but I don't know what is missing, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm speaking quietly because I'm... Okay. Maybe. Do it like this. I get it. Now I see the issue. Come on. Okay. Maybe if I go to game, there's action rectangle, self point action rectangle. And in zone, cutscene. Action rectangle equals game point. Yeah, I added this later. Action rectangle. I have to add this everywhere. Let's see where this is still missing. Ah, here, okay. Maybe here. Let's see if it works now. Okay, what is still missing? Calculate projectiles. Ah, unexpected arguments. So here we don't have it. Ah, yes. Now here's a cutscene. Like in a roleplay, there's a cutscene that plays. Nice. Yeah, that's probably it, but yeah, was kind of found a unique way to implement it by just putting the game loop into another file, which takes the game loop but does different stuff with it, so you can override the play function and yeah, do whatever you want. So now back to the graveyard. Yes, it is Comic Sans. It's a placeholder. I don't know which font could be the best, so I just used Comic Sans. Maybe I will switch to something better, but at the moment I just thought I just used the default. I guess it was set by default that Comic Sans is the font. If you do nothing, then Comic Sans is set, but maybe I even set it. Where is it? Image, font, yeah, Comic Sans MS. Name Comic Sans MS. Yes, you're right. I wouldn't even notice that by myself anymore. Again, check. But everything is in Comic Sans, I guess. Here's inventory in Comic Sans. Attributes, Comic Sans. Even this one, Comic Sans. Comic Sans. Am I pronouncing it right? Comic Sans? Comic Sans? Maybe. Or maybe not. Okay. So, where was I? Obstacle light source, yes. Drawing gravestones. Sense, okay, like common sense, yeah. Comic Sans, like common sense. Kind of rhyming. Comic Sans, common sense. Did I export it already? Yeah. Okay, now let's get to the last one. Okay, looks strange, but should be even. No. Okay, we have 3 different gravestones now. Three different gravestones. So, what are we gonna do? Maybe. Sprite. Yes, I've heard of it. Sprite. It's free and open source, which is great. Huh. I'm at the GitHub of it. By the way, I move GIMP aside now. I mean, I downloaded like 100 to 1000 things on GitHub. I still have issues finding the download link. Yeah, it sounds better because it is more used to sprites, I guess, for gaming sprites, so. Could also work nice. So I will give it a try. Ah, here we have it. Yeah, I have to install it with. On Linux, it's pretty simple. On Windows. Oh, a theme make. Okay, it doesn't seem to be that hard. Yeah, we'll give it a shot. Yeah, we'll give it. Life is echoing. Okay. 1 second. If I turn down the music and try it again, no, it shouldn't be echoing because, or if it will be echoing if I'm, no. Maybe it was the sound because it's synthesized sound, so maybe it sounds a little bit echoing on its own. That could be the reason. Now I will do, where's cutscene, light source. Only a width of 10. Yeah, I'm just calculating the obstacle of the gravestones, because yeah, they shouldn't have the same rectangle the entire sprite image has. Now I will copy them in the IDE. There we go. Oh, I'm already in the right one. Grave, yeah, images. Yeah, like this, perfect. Now I'm a cow. Yeah, bad pun. Now copy that. Call it gravestone 1. And same goes for 2 and 3. Class gravestone random image. Def init Perfecto. The corgi with the squid. Yes, that's kind of... This could be a boss in the game. Tentacle dog. Dog with tentacles. Yeah, I will give it a try later. Dog with tentacles. Save point equals 2 and equals +5. Now let's see, obstacle, closed door. Now it will get interesting. Sorry. Okay, how do we handle this? Or first let's do it with false. We can later make them interactable. Yeah, let's make them interactable later. For now... game. Let's first try it with random gravestones. So zone. Oh, this is just zone, but I want graveyard. Here we go. For gravestone number in range 20. Let's say stony equals GSP gravestone randoming x equals random point went in from self point x to self point width, and y equals random point went int again self point y to self point height. If not, stony point group collide. It was group collide, I guess. Now let's say how I handled it in city. Yeah, we need this one. Yeah, let's call it check me. Check me Stony is self point obstacles point add check me. Yeah. Callable. Doesn't make any sense. Okay. Okay, he didn't generate any stone. This is interesting. 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 Okay. Ah, I get it. Okay, doesn't look good at all. Not satisfied with the look. Make a little screenshot. More grave, added more gravestones. But yeah, maybe the procedural generated level needs more. Yeah, this one looks better because it's more dark, the atmosphere is better. still I'm thinking maybe I add some dirt and make them more, yeah, like in a row. Don't know if this looks even better. If I compare to other RPG graveyards, it doesn't even look that bad. What happens? Does it look better if it is smaller? Let's find out. Let's make it smaller, 160 and 160. Yeah, looks better, to be honest. Okay, now let's say random point rand int 2 to 3. Okay, it has to be width equals multiplied with 80. Same goes for the height. And x is random. Rand and 240, and what is the end of the map? Should be around I just don't know. South point. Width minus 240. Def check for zone call self rec1 rec list return true. For rec and rec list if rec1 point collide rectangle rec return false. It's pretty simple script, pretty simple function to check if there's a collision in the zones. Now hello to the one who joined recently. I'm adding Graveyard to my RPG game. If you have any questions, write them in the chat. And if someone hears a strange noise, it's my head falling onto the keyboard. Yeah, that would be a strange noise. Okay, check for zone call. Pretty simple thing, but we need it. Cause so if self point check the zone call 1 point get rectangle self point zones where was I? If not, check. Here we go. Look at the chat. Nothing new in the chat. Nothing new in the chat. Nothing new in the chat. And yeah, while doing that, self point, zones point append, graveyard 1. Okay, I get it, but the zone level was randomized level. get rectangle for zone. Point get rectangle. Now let's see if graveyards can be added. Won't be that easy to find one. But yeah, let's try if we find a graveyard now in this new one. For test issues, we will we will generate multiple graveyards. No, but with these camera slides. Ah, here's one. But he doesn't generate the... Okay, that could be an issue. Let's find the graveyard. Here we go. Okay, on the left side there's too much fence. Too much fence, yes. Yeah, kind of. It's because, yeah, on the right, you see on the right side there is, the fence is too long, so I have to see, and the graveyard generator. Y-axis. Self point have plus 80, here it is. Let's try it a few more times, maybe we'll find it out. But if it's only one piece of fence, I don't even care that much. Ah, here, look, here it is done right. Yeah, the small piece of fence. But apart from that... Yeah, they're shooting. Okay. I guess that's it for today's streams. Because I'm pretty sleepy. Thank you, Alex, by the way, for being with me all the time. Cool to have you around again. Hope this won't be the last time. And yeah, apart from that, wish you all a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time. Yeah, good night, good night. good dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you hopefully, yeah, tomorrow. And yeah, bye-bye. Good sleep. Yeah, you too.